Are you dreaming to join IIT's ISC or TIFR for your post-graduation in physics or MSc physics? So this is the right platform for you. So Pravegaa has announced new batches, IIT JAM and this is for CUET also, evening online classes from 10th March and offline hybrid or morning online classes from 20th March. So students, you can contact on this number 89207-59559 or you can simply visit pravegaa.com. So also visit our YouTube channel Pravegaa Education to see different videos of different subjects. From there you can see what is our teaching methodology, what is our approach. So join as early as possible so that you get a lot of time for your revision. Thank you.